The Digital Agenda is an EU initiative set to maximize the benefits of digital transformation via fast internet and interoperable applications. Its overall goal is to encourage innovation, economic growth, and to improve the daily lives for citizens and businesses. Launched in 2018, the Digital Agenda for the Western Balkans focuses on the development of e-government, e-health, digital skills, digital trust, and security. The main weaknesses of reaping the maximum benefits from the digital transformation for the Western Balkan countries lay in the general standard setting, public procurement, and coordination among public authorities. The Digital Agenda addresses the need to induce the governments to define their criteria for developing e-services based on the citizens' needs, which will directly influence the efficiency of administration. It emphasizes the right to privacy and the protection of personal data as one of the fundamental rights in the EU, which must also be effective online. The Digital Agenda tackles the digital literacy deficits and the ICT skills shortage, which is why the focus should be on making digital literacy and digital competency the main priorities. Western Balkan countries aspire to join the EU, and they still have to work on developing fully interoperable systems by overcoming their organizational, technical, and semantic barriers. For more country-specific data, follow @ICEDA Project on Facebook and Twitter.